Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm excited to share some brand new products from the Inkey List. Now, some of you may remember I did a video on some of their most amazing hero products, my hero products, and one of those was the polyglutamic acid, which is the most amazing skin hydrator, and I like to use that prior to makeup, and the reason being is because it gives the skin this incredibly smooth surface, because it holds 4 times the amount of moisture as hyaluronic acid, so it's the most beautiful makeup prep. And I'll put a little link up somewhere here on the screen so you can check out that video. But now I'm back and I've got some brand new products to share with you that are absolutely amazing. So let's make a start. So the first product is the Brighten-i Eye Cream. Now this is the Inkey List first sort of dip into a hybrid product which offers amazing skincare benefits with a slight added benefit of the cosmetic. Let me explain. This is kind of like the eye cream of your dreams. You're getting instant brightening, long-term brightening benefits with prolonged use, a cooling applicator tip, which truly is quite wonderful in itself. But the benefits of this product are just brilliant. It has mica in it, which is light reflecting, and this kind of universal sort of peachy, almost corrector tone to it. So you're getting this incredible brightness under the eyes, so you can use this as your day eye cream underneath your foundation, your concealer, to give the eyes that instant brightening, beautiful effect. And the benefits don't stop there, because with long-term use, you're getting that continued under eye brightness, which a lot of people struggle with, the darkness under the eyes, the looking tired, the puffy eyes. This cream deals with all of that and more. Now this is formulated with 2% brightenol, which is 4 times more potent than vitamin C. So that's why we're talking long-term brightening effects of the skin. And also this offers an immediate kind of visible blurring effect underneath the eyes, which I know myself is very important, but it just acts as that kind of smooth layer underneath the skin. And the moment you apply it, you'll notice it too, because you get that instant kind of skin softening effect under the eyes. And for those of you like myself who are getting older, it's incredibly important that this area remains as bright and open as possible. And all you need to do, and remember, this can be used morning and night, and it's even just as wonderful at night, because you're applying it, you're getting all the benefits, but when you wake up in the morning, because of that beautiful luminosity, you actually wake up and look much better, which is a wonderful thing. So the way to apply it is to apply it underneath the eyes. You can use the cooling applicator tip to just apply this underneath the eyes and smooth it in that way, or you can use your finger and just pat it in however suits you. And then if it's in the daytime, you want to apply your foundation or your concealer over that, absolutely go for it. It will work beautifully. No pilling, no issues with your makeup not being compatible with it. It all goes on very, very smoothly and looks beautiful. Is my favorite eye cream. It is just outstanding, promise. So next up, we have the C50, and this is the overnight mask. Now, this is, a lot of people suffer from breakouts and blemishes. At 41, I'm still getting breakouts, and I can't see that stopping anytime soon. And there are lots of different ways to tackle it. And this is a brand new product, and you apply this at night. You just apply a thin layer all over your face, and then you go night-nights. And you wake up in the morning and the skin is clearer. And that's the point of this product. Rather than using your traditional ingredients such as benzoyl peroxide and other disinfectants, this is a totally new way of dealing with breakouts, because it fights the blemish causing bacteria, but it also reduces inflammation and redness and all those other irritating things that are associated with blemishes. And for me, it's one of those products that I like to alternate, and I'll talk to you about why in a second when I speak about the next product. But you can apply this at night, go to sleep, and you wake up the next morning, and there is a definite reduction, especially in things like skin irritation, skin redness, because blemishes are inherently oftentimes red by nature, and this calms things down. But it also, and this is one of the biggest benefits for me, is it really helps to halt the oil production. Your oil production is not as strong, it's not as, your skin doesn't feel like it's pumping out that same amount of oil, which is incredibly important for me because I'm still really quite oily and it's bothersome, and this product really helps with that. So you're not only battling blemishes, you're battling oiliness, you're battling inflammation and redness. and all without having to use traditional disinfectants like benzoyl peroxide and other things that can irritate your skin. This for me is completely non-irritating and is incredibly soothing to the skin. And when you've got breakouts and blemishes, that's one of the things you want, is to soothe the skin so that it doesn't look red or irritated. And this product does that beautifully. So remember how I said about alternating products? Well, this is the second product, and this is the Ceramide Overnight Mask. So I like to alternate these products. So I will use the C50 on one night, and then I use the Ceramide Overnight Mask on the second night, and so forward. So Ceramide Overnight Mask, what is it and why do you need it? Think of this as, again, it's an overnight mask. You apply it, you go to sleep, you wake up. What you get with this product is hydration, intense hydration, plumper skin. Oh, this plumper skin. So if you're worried about, if you have dryness on the skin or signs of aging and you want to add that more intense hydration to the skin, you want your skin to feel firmer and plumper and more, then this is a product to use. And you just, again, I like to just alternate these two. So I'm getting that kind of bang for my buck. I'm fighting irritation and oil producing nastiness with the C50. And then I'm using this on the alternate night with the Ceramide so that I've got this plumper skin, this more youthful skin, this firmer feeling skin. And that's what it does. You've got all these ceramides. They're all working while you sleep. And that's what I think is good for me, is I'm just applying this at night. I'm not worrying about it. And I know that when I wake up in the morning, I'll do this and I'll do this and I'll just think, ooh, smooth. And there is a visible kind of difference in your skin. If you touch your skin like this, there is a visible plumpness to the skin that is quite unique to this product, and why I'm a little bit obsessed with it. And finally, and I'd like to finish with this product, we all know exfoliating the skin is good, but there are a lot of skin types that are irritated or sensitive or get stressed or reactive that find your typical exfoliants such as alpha hydroxy acid or beta hydroxy acids to be just too irritating, too stimulating. So this is where this next product comes in. So we're talking polyhydroxy acid. Now, the difference between this acid and the others that I've just mentioned is this one. Think of this one as the sensitive family member. If you have very sensitive skin, if you have reactive skin, it's also suitable for eczema skin and skin with rosacea. It's that gentle to the skin. It's not sensitizing the same way that the other acids can be to certain skin types. But the best thing is it exfoliates the skin, but it does it in a very gentle way. The molecules of polyhydroxy acids are bigger and they don't penetrate the skin the same way as the other acids do. So if you find that you can't use certain acids, this is a very gentle, effective way of using an exfoliant without the harshness that's associated with some acids. That's why I'm a big fan of it. As I get older, I'm very much into being more gentle with my skin, kinder to my skin, and more respectful to it, because I just feel like all the harshness can sometimes just be a little too much. And another benefit of the polyhydroxy acid, especially if you are getting older or you're more mature or you have drier skin, is there's a hydration level to it that comes with this. And that's quite a big benefit to this product as well. So you're slouching off that kind of dead skin cells, but you're also hydrating them at the same time, which is brilliant. And that's pretty much why I think polyhydroxy acids are going to be a really big thing, and why I think they're going to become more prevalent, because of the gentleness but the effectiveness at the same time. You're not having to irritate the skin in order to get wonderful, wonderful results. Now, all of these products that I've mentioned are available on the amazing website in the UK, which is CULTBEAUTY, brilliant. Or if you're in the US, Sephora, lovely. So you can get these products in both of those places, and all that information is of course in the description bar, and you've probably seen it running along the screen anyway, but just wanted to reiterate that. Now, the Inkey List, as I kind of end this video, one thing I want to kind of just reiterate, you don't have to spend massive amounts of money on skincare in order to have beautiful, healthy, beautiful, beautiful looking skin. And that is, I think, we're a trap that a lot of us fall into, that the more we spend, the more we're going to get, and that really isn't the truth. With the Inkey List, you're getting incredible ingredients, effective ingredients, wonderful formulations, at the most affordable price. And that's what skincare is about. It's not just about whether a product will work or how wonderful the product is. It's about, can we sustain this product? And with the Inkey List, you absolutely can sustain it because the price point is so amazing with the formulations that are incredible formulations. You're getting all of that in an affordable product, which is why I use the Inkey List and why I continue to use the Inkey List. Now, all the products, as I mentioned, are right down there in the description bar and the places, of course, where you can get them. So all of that information is right down there so you can have a little look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.